Hi everyone, it's Andreas again, your aquaponic and hydroponic project coordinator at the Marilyn Magaram Center Wellness Garden. And today, we will be talking about how to choose a hydroponic system that is best suited for your vegetable growing needs. If we recall from the previous video on the differences between hydroponics and aquaponics, both are methods that grow plants without soil using a solution of water and essential nutrients. There are several different techniques that fall under the hydroponics umbrella, each of which is uniquely suited for growing a different range of crop types. First of all, let's talk about growing our greens. Leafy greens are a staple crop in hydroponics and are among some of the best performing crop types in hydroponic systems. In general, in hydroponics, we focus on annual greens with a small root system and a short life cycle. If you are looking to grow mainly leafy greens and small annual herbs such as basil, I can recommend a nutrient film technique type system. Nutrient film technique works by pumping a thin film of hydroponic nutrient solution along the bottom of a long horizontal gutter with planting slots cut into it. The root systems of the plants grow along the bottom of the pipe or gutter to gain access to the water and nutrients they require to grow. This kind of system is very easy to build using materials that are available at your local hardware store, and there are plenty of kits available for purchase from online retailers, like this one here. In addition, nutrient film technique is excellent for growing strawberries. Another type of system that is well suited for leafy greens and short-statured annual herbs is deep water culture. In deep water culture, the root systems of the plants are suspended directly in a container that is filled with heavily aerated nutrient solution. This is the easiest actively powered hydroponic system to build. Additionally, there are self-contained single plant deep water culture kits that are suited for growing larger plants such as tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers. If you want to grow your leafy greens in a simple system that has no moving parts, I can recommend the Kratky method of hydroponics. This is a variant of deep water culture where there is no aeration, and the roots get their oxygen directly from the atmosphere as the level of nutrient solution in the container drops over time. This method is commonly employed to make countertop or windowsill herb gardens out of mason jars, and is a fun, kid-friendly DIY project that anybody can enjoy. If you are aiming to grow larger plants and fruiting crops, then your two best options will be Beto buckets, also known as Dutch buckets, and ebb and flow. Beto bucket systems grow plants in individual containers that are filled with some kind of inert growing medium that are continually watered with nutrient solution. The nutrient solution is then collected by a drain pipe from the bottom of the containers and then returned to the reservoir. Beto buckets allow for a large degree of flexibility when placing your individual planting sites within a space. This makes them an excellent choice for people who really don't have a lot of room to work with. Complete system kits, like this one, are available online and they can be pretty large. But this type of system is also commonly constructed using standard food grade 5-gallon buckets. Ebb and flow systems are highly versatile and are a great solution for high intensity fruiting crop production or seed starting. Instead of the more complicated pipework of a Beto bucket system, ebb and flow systems will flood a large table or trough with nutrient solution, typically on a timed interval. Planting containers and seed starting trays are simply placed in the table and filled with an inert medium that will wick water up into the root zones of the plants during a flood cycle. Typically, this kind of system is constructed using purpose-made components that are available online or from your local hydroponics retailer. If you want a good all-in-one solution, your best options would be rain towers or aeroponics. Rain towers trickle vertical streams of water over the root zones of the plants and are typically built to accommodate both leafy greens and larger fruiting crops. Rain towers can be a bit challenging to build oneself, but it is doable. Kits are available for purchase online, but they tend to be a bit expensive compared to other systems, as you can see here with this system. Aeroponics is a system where a fine mist or spray of nutrient solution is sprayed directly onto the roots of the plants within a closed chamber. Out of all types of hydroponic systems, aeroponics offers the highest yields and the most versatility. Provided you are able to give the plants the support they need, aeroponics is adaptable to all kinds of annual crops. Aeroponics is also excellent for rapidly rooting cuttings and is uniquely suited for tuberous crops such as potatoes. However, aside from increased cost, there is a major drawback. Aeroponic systems are quite high maintenance and quite prone to failure because the Mister nozzles that distribute the nutrient solution over the root zones of the plants frequently clog due to calcification. I would only recommend aeroponics for more experienced growers. Alright everyone, hopefully this gives you a good idea of where to start if you are looking to buy a hydroponic system. Stay tuned for more videos, including one where I will teach you to build your very own DIY deep water culture hydroponic system. Happy growing everyone!